What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I've got a 18 F250. This one has the gas engine in it, and we got, how many miles does that say? 27,298. I had to install a new tailgate handle and put a new camera in it because they completely ripped it out. So we're gonna go program this to the LIN Neteork. All right, you see, 2018, 27,298 miles. There's the VIN number. I'm gonna go to my toolbox, and then I'm gonna go down to electrical, service functions, LIN new module installation. And then I'm gonna hit the little tick mark way over here in the corner. And then it's asking me, before performing this procedure, please make sure all the following operations are completed. Park the vehicle, yep. Battery voltage is good. Before continuing, refer to workshop manual. Note, LIN module initialization will be done. Man, words. Holy crap. It's one of them days, man. Yes. The ignition is on. Yes. Doing its thing. Operation has been successful. Boink. Turn the ignition off. Perform self-test, clear any codes, return procedure if needed. All right. Hit the little checking mark. And the reason we have to connect it to the LIN Neteork is because, let's go up here to my little toolbox, and we're going to do a self-test. I like to do all. That's because when you put it in reverse and the camera comes on, the lines aren't there when you put a new camera in. So let's do it self-test, and then we're going to put it in reverse and see if that fixed it. All right, you see we got some codes here, the 115E, the 115E, 55, and then 115E08. It's just saying camera module configured. Remember, I told you clear the codes, but what I want to do first is see if the lines show up on the dash or on the camera, and they do. See the lines? They're there now. So turn this off, and then I'll come back over here and delete. Yes. And it's going to do its clearing. Then it's going to read it again. And any day now. Self-test. And then what I'll do is I'll crank it back up and I'll put it in reverse again. Make sure those lines are still there. Make sure we don't have any DTCs after programming that to the LIN Neteork. Pretty simple to do. I think you can do this with 4Scan, not quite sure. This doesn't have a 360 camera on it, so I don't have to do a 360 camera alignment. This was just the rear camera, which is good. And we're back. Everything is passed. You can see the ones that I cleared. All right, come over here. Get that little thingy there. We're gonna exit. Crank her up. And reverse. And the lines are there. See the lines? When you install the camera initially without programming it to the module, those lines aren't there. If I turn the wheel, see how the line turns? None of that was there if you just install it. So you won't have the lines. You just got to connect it to the LIN Neteork. And in case you're wondering what LIN stands for, it's, let me click on it again, Local Interconnect Network. All right, so this is done now. I don't know how they ripped that off of there, but it's got the new tailgate handle. There's the camera, it's inside. You got to take this cover off, 6 screws, 2, 4, 6, 8, excuse me. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4 nuts that you take off, but that wasn't even there to begin with because they completely ripped it off. So now it has a new camera, new handle, everything's good to go. And if I didn't say before, it is a 6.2 liter, it is a 2018, and that is how you install a camera and install it to the network if you just have the rear camera. If you have a 360 camera, it's a completely different process. But I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to check out the merchandise channel, or the merchandise page. Free shipping on t-shirts until I say otherwise. It'll be a couple days. Anyway, I love you guys. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one.